In this segment, we're going to be talking about umbrellas. Umbrellas are probably the most common light modifier. They're actually really easy to use. They stow nice and easily. You can just pop them open. This is actually a relatively small one, but they're easy. They usually just, on this one, just slips nice and easily onto the umbrella holder. Umbrellas, there's so many different varieties. They come in all different shapes and sizes. This one's actually a relatively large one. This is actually nice because it's a little bit softer than acts a little bit more like a softbox than a smaller one. It also covers a nice wider area. Like this one's actually relatively small. This one's good for traveling. It works well, but it's a little bit harsher than some of the other lights. There's also a lot of they're coming out with all different kinds of kind of like a cross between a umbrella and a softbox. This is a soft lighter, a Photech. These are getting pretty popular. It softens up, it's an umbrella, but it softens up the light a little bit more by throwing the diffusion on the top. This one is actually one I like a little better. It's a Larson Photo Square. I think they also make them in round ones too. Basically, it assembles like an umbrella. You can see in the inside, and then you can put it on your, umbrella holder, and then you can pull the, pull it up and over. Usually you point the light into the reflective side, and it actually works as a really nice softbox. They are a little bit difficult to work with. They don't work so well. They don't work so well with these kinds of lights because you adjust them on the side. The other umbrella that is really popular is you can get a shoot-through umbrella, and these are nice. These actually soften up the light a little bit more. You can kind of shoot directly into something. And you can also use them to bounce light. Not quite as efficient as the standard with the black on the back, but they work really good.